Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a week, I believe. I'm sorry. I've been trying to stay consistent, but I've been busy moving and everything, but I finally got to make a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and chit chat. So if you guys want to see how I create this look and get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? So I know the background looks different. That's because I moved out. I actually got a house with my boyfriend and my sister, and yeah, shit, it's fucking light as hell. Anyways, so I watched Tina's I'm pretty sure that's how you say her last name. I watched Tina's last video, which is a get ready with me, and pointed out how now, like, for some reason people aren't really fucking serious. She pointed out how people really aren't watching a lot of makeup tutorials for some reason. I don't know, people are more into like vlogs, hauls, challenges, pranks and stuff like that, and I totally get it. So I feel like I'm gonna somewhat change up not really change up my channel. I'm still gonna do makeup, obviously, because that's the main thing my channel is about, but like I'm gonna do more vlogs. I'm gonna do more of everything. And people like, for some reason people like get ready with me, and I have noticed that too, because in some of my get ready with me I usually get like a lot of views. And also I have noticed that in some of my tutorials I'm so focused on getting the look like finished and explaining everything I'm doing and stuff like that, that I don't really talk a lot, and I hate that shit. Like, I'll go back and edit my videos and I'm like, damn, this shit's boring because I don't talk. So I think I'm gonna just do like tutorials, but in a way get ready with me, like in them, so that I can basically talk and explain like what I'm doing, if that makes sense. I don't know. Anyways, but I'm literally just gonna do something that I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. I want to do a Q&A, like, again. I know I did a Q&A like a long time ago, but I want to do another Q&A, and this time I'm gonna post it on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will have it in the description box or here, so you can follow me and ask me questions. So today I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is the Armed and Gorgeous. I'm gonna take the shade Axis. I low-key want to move to LA for like, I don't want to move to LA for like my whole life and live there. I want to stay in Florida for some reason. I don't know. I actually wanted to move to LA and stay there, but now that I think about it, I don't know. I feel like LA is like so packed and just, I don't know. I feel like there's so many people there that the traffic is literally shit. I hear like, I don't know. I don't want to be dealing with traffic. I can't even see the traffic here. California is so expensive. It's like stupid expensive. So I'll probably just go there probably for a year or two, not even, probably like around there, just to experience it. That's the one thing that I really want to do, is experience it. Experience living in California, or experience living in a whole different other state that isn't Florida. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Agent, which is this one over here. Now I'm taking the shade Secure. Y'all see how Gucci came out with that one sweater and everybody was boycotting them or whatever, or is boycotting them? I honestly feel like it's not gonna last for some reason. I feel like people are gonna forget about the whole sweater thing and just go back to buying Gucci. I'm gonna take Smooth Criminal, which is this little brown shade. It's gonna sound really weird, but I feel like I'm the only person that does not watch the Grammys or any awards show or anything like that. I don't know, I just never really grew up watching it. It just seems so boring to me. I never watched the ones that would go on Nickelodeon, the Kids' Choice Awards or anything like that. I just found it so boring. But congratulations to my girl Cardi B. I fucking love her. Like, I like her as a person. I like some of her songs too, but as a person, I just like the type of, like, her personality. I feel like she's such a, like, always positive, and she just speaks what's on her mind, and she's like upfront. So that's what I really like about her. You know, one thing I don't understand at all, like, this has been happening for such a long time, and people, as in people I mean like beauty gurus that like have a bigger platform, always talk about it, and it seems like for some reason brands just don't want to acknowledge that it's the truth. And it's kind of like annoying at this point that these high-end brands get so much money, have so much money actually, and they can't figure out how to extend their fucking foundation shades. Like, how is it so hard to make, this shit makes me like somewhat heated because it's like, it's not that hard, but how is it so hard to make a foundation shade for literally every skin tone? Why do you just have to make a foundation shade for a light skin tone? Like, to me, it's just not fair. I don't understand how these high-end makeup brands have all this money to be able to make a fucking foundation and still don't make it. Like, they see that that's what a lot of people look at now. Like now in society, that's the main thing that people focus on whenever a new whenever a brand launches foundation. That's the first thing they see, like the foundation range. And I'm talking about this because literally when Givenchy released, or I think I saw it today on Twitter that Givenchy released a foundation, and literally it's just white shades. Like, there's one shade for dark skin, and it probably won't even fit like literally 90% of them, just probably one. And it's like, brands, I don't know, brands like that just don't deserve money, don't deserve anybody's money. To me, that's my opinion. You know what's good for me. That's my opinion. Like, I just think if you don't want to put in the work to make your products for everyone, then why do you do it? Like, why do you even do it to begin with? Like, I don't know, that's just me. I just think it's stupid how a lot of brands have all this money, the money that you would need to extend that foundation range, and they don't fucking use it. To me, it's just, they don't care. Why the fuck are you making makeup and you can't make it for everybody? You're just making it for one, like literally a group of people, like just for a group of people, and you're not making it for everybody. Like, that's to me just sounds stupid, and obviously you only care about that group of people that you're making your product for. That's literally how I see it. That's the first time I ever applied my foundation with a brush, and I actually really like it. It looks really good. But yeah, that's my little rant right there about foundation shades. Like, I just think it's so dumb how a lot of brands come out with foundation and don't know how to extend the shades. They don't know how to extend them. I just think it's something each brand should take in consideration, that you have multiple skin colors that buy from you, and for you just to release foundation shades for a selected of them, it's just stupid, just dumb to me. But whatever. I don't know if it's just me, but I literally, for some freaking reason, have the most weirdest dreams ever. Like, I don't know, if I watch something, I'll dream about it. I dream literally every day, which I know some people don't dream every day, but supposedly you do. It's just I look like a freaking ghost, but sometimes if you don't remember dreaming every day, it's because you dream for like less than 5 seconds or 3 seconds. I don't remember what it was, but I dream every day, and my dreams are pretty long for some reason. So let me tell you about this dream. I had the most weirdest dream ever last night. The most weirdest dream ever. And I literally woke up this morning freaking out because I thought it was true. Like, I woke up this morning like wanting to throw up. Y'all probably gonna be like, what the fuck? I was possessed. Why? I don't know. Like, I was starting to I was like, I guess, I don't know. You know how like in scary movies, in scary movies they do how do I explain it? Like, there's steps, like there's like levels. Well, oh shit, that was a lot. Oh fuck, that was a lot. But you know how like scary movies, there's how would I explain it? Oh, there's like phases as to like when you're becoming possessed. So it's like you see shit, you talk to it or whatever. Like, you see shit and then it follows you, and then it's like actually in your body. Okay, well that's what was happening in my dream to me. So I was starting to become possessed. So there was like signs of it that I was already becoming possessed. And in my dream, I would throw up pieces of glass, and so weird. And it was but yeah, like I would throw up pieces of glass, and when I would throw them up, they were like sewed together. I don't know, it was so weird, but it would always be like 2 pieces of glass that I would throw up. And after like a while in my dream, I started scaring people. I don't know, people were starting to become scared of me. But like in my dream, I was sleeping with my boyfriend, and he started having sleep paralysis in front of me, and I got scared because he was like trying to talk to me, but he couldn't talk. Like, he couldn't move, he couldn't talk, like nothing came out of his mouth. He was just looking at me with his mouth open, like if he was trying to talk to me. And like I woke up this morning so scared. My stomach was like started hurting for some reason. I thought I was actually, like when I woke up today, I thought I was actually possessed, and I got scared. But then I realized that it was a dream. Okay, so I don't know what to put on my lips. I think I'm gonna do this little pink shade. Oh shit, that's way too pink. Never mind. Alright guys, so that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this more as in like a tutorial, like get ready with me, I will do these. If you have any other recommendations as to any videos you guys want to see, then go ahead and comment that below. Anyways, but with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications. Make sure you turn on your post notifications on to get notified every single time I post a new video. I'm sorry I talk so fast, it's a habit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, tell your friends, anybody you know, to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, hopefully I have a giveaway soon. I am trying to plan that out. I'm not 100% sure when I'll have it, but when I do decide when I'll have it, I'll let you guys know. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Turn this off. Oh shit, I almost fell.